In today's lesson, we are breaking down the constituents of drawing expressively. We are breaking it down into mark making, and we are going to do 6 expressive exercises to help us with that. Stay to the end, and I will share an insight with you that is going to help you improve your mark making drastically and improve your art in general. My name is Richard, and welcome to Art Focused. Okay, for the following exercise, I want you to draw out with a ruler 6 squares on a page, roughly 4 inches by 4 inches. So basically 4 inches by 4 inches per square. And then mark them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so forth. So you'll number them out. Then in the first square, we are going to practice drawing lines. Parallel down first. And then we are going to change the direction of the line the other way. And then we're going to draw these lines at angles joined to each other. And what you want to do is this: you want to make sure that the distance between these lines are as equal as possible. Keep drawing it like that. Okay, going across, filling the entire square with these lines. Just like that, in different directions. And make it look good. That's the thing. It's got to look good, interesting, cohesive. So the first one is what we call our hatch. Then we go on to number 2. Okay, number 2. Again, we start drawing lines. And then we cross them over at 90 degrees. And that's what we call a crosshatch. So a hatch and a crosshatch. These are very important. Hatch them at different angles. Different directions. And keep them intense like that. You want a nice cohesive hatch like that. Going across like that again, drawing the lines, nice long lines. cross-hatching over like that. Practice this. And the third one we've already seen. Here, we start with something very dark. And this is a pressure exercise, very important. As dark as we can. And then as we go on, the pressure becomes less and less. Like that. Okay. With every subsequent square or rectangle, it becomes a little bit lighter. Just take a bit of time when you do this. Take some care to make sure you show the different gradations. So in the next block, if I can show you here, we create marks that are sort of like hectic. Scribbling and scratching within that little square like that, keeping it intense. In different directions, move your wrist around, move your arm around, and you want to create these spontaneous, fast movements. You get your fingers to kind of, create nice, fast movements, nice, spontaneous movements. Then the next line that we are going to practice, it's a beautiful, long, curved line that follows. Like that, with a curve. Okay, and we make sure we go into the corner there, like that. And now we continue on this side, and we change direction of the line. Come down, keep following that line. This will help you to teach you to draw nice, long, curved lines. Beautiful, long, curved shapes. All these exercises are very good in teaching you little micro skills that's going to help you with different kinds of details. Change direction again. Just keep going with that. Change direction, follow, change direction, okay. And so for number 6, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start drawing a finer type of mark. Now you'll notice as I'm drawing finer, smaller I'm coming in with my pencil like this, like a writing tool. There I need more fine control, as opposed to holding it like midway or holding it further back. Okay, so become aware of that and start noticing how holding your pencil in different kinds of ways, okay, actually helps you to create different kinds of marks. So for instance, going in with this fine little feathery like, scaly like mark that I'm doing here, which is little dots and dashes like that. Let's just have a look at it. Just dashing down like that, dashing down like that. And keep curving it. You want to get that curve like that, like that. And that creates a whole unique mark there on its own. Practicing that. If I can show you just a little bit closer what that actually looks like. See if I can come in real close there. Okay, not at all. That's not going to work for me today. If you can see that mark there, like that. It's the kind of mark you use for details, like you can think of like the feathers of a bird almost. And you just want to fill the entire block with these marks. So the first three at the top, your hatch, your cross hatch, and then this pressure exercise that helps you to create value are probably the three most important ones to learn. Those three are crucial. So do practice this. Okay, and if you don't come right, just keep practicing. Make a few squares where you can practice each one, and you will see how that will improve your capabilities and your skills in drawing. So now I'm going to share my insight with you. What I notice very often with these exercises, with beginners especially, is that when they make these marks, things don't seem to hang together. They seem kind of loose, falling apart almost. And this is very important to understand. With these marks, you're looking for overlapping and intensity to bring about cohesion and a sense of togetherness. Detail is an illusion. And we as artists need to use these marks and create with these marks to create the illusion of detail. I want to thank you for watching this video till the end. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I am going to release more videos like this. And have a great day further.